Welcome back, guys. It's Good here, back with another video. And this video I'm going to show you my base rebuilding, which is pretty awesome. And I'm just winning with this base, and the opponents who are attacking me are just getting 8%, not more than that. I have not got more than that, but I have act more than 50 to them. In this video I'm going to show you my base, which is useful for all of you and which can be used for build a hall 3 or more than that. Let's get started. And I have already kept my town hall in place. Time for wall, and it's time for rotating this wall a little bit over here and taking this wall and putting it over here. Let's remove this. And another step is to put this over here and the gold storage over here. And what shall I put? I think I'll put this over here, this right over here, yeah, this right over here, this little bit straight, and this little bit over here. And let's keep the walls in straight. Double cannon over here, and this over here, this other walls over there, and what shall I put now? I think I'll put this right over here. Put this right over here. Right over here. And this over here. This straight right over here. This straight right over there. And rotating it a little bit over here. Yeah, it's done. And I should put my legs row storage over here, and my gem mine, which was rebuilt yesterday night. And I think I should put my cannon over here. It looks pretty awesome. And these over here. Yep. And I should put spring traps over here and over here. More space for it. Over there. My army camp a little bit over here. This over here. And this over here. This over here. No. This right over here. And this right over here. Yep, guys, and the base is done. Let's save it. Okay. And this is the base which I made just now. If you want to try this base, then capture this base with screenshot. Time for screenshot. Now let's move ahead for attack, and I'm going to show you the evidence. Let's see. think the opponent would not get more than 50%. Till now I have not got more than 8%. That's for sure, guys. I'm not telling lies to you. This is the base, and what should I throw? I'm confused. I'll take. Archers are the best. Archers. I'll take archers and throw it over where? Right away. Yeah. Move ahead for town hall. Just wanted that. 1 star is enough. Yeah. 1 star can do huge damage, and 1 star can help me take the resources. Get 34%, which is pretty awesome with 1 star. What will I get? I have to see, guys. Let's go. What the hell? The Wi-Fi is not working pretty well. Yeah, it's working. Okay, I have turned back. See, guys, I've got the victory. 0%, guys. 2 giants, 4 beta minions. I said you guys, it's the 0% attack. Let's see the replays. I'm going to show you the evidence, and let's see. The giants over there. Not doing anything. I've made my build hall 2 max, and I'm in this build a hall level 3. I think I should upgrade my double cannon right over here. Couldn't do anything, just 0%. Sorry guys, this base is pretty awesome, and now I'm gonna upgrade my double cannon, and I'll be back with another video to show you guys. Another attack strategy which could be used, and I'm going to be at build hall level 4. I'm going to be at build hall level 3. I don't know. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please like and subscribe my video, and don't forget to comment in my video, and please like all my videos. Thank you guys. Have a good day.